Investors are looking to hold positions longer term through entire business cycles and macro market trends. It could be a buy and hold strategy long term, the kind of thing where you buy and hold that through the rest of your life. Maybe you pick a dividend paying stock. So I got a weekly chart here of Microsoft, for example, that pays a lovely dividend every quarter and has been in a really lovely uptrend for many, many years now. Maybe an investor, bought back in 2015 on a signal of a breakout or strength or some news that they liked, and they've been holding it ever since, collecting those quarterly dividends, riding through the earnings announcements and trying to take advantage of the long-term growth. The longer term an investment, the more important the fundamental analysis becomes. Very, very important that when you're looking for longer term investments, that you're looking for strong companies with good earnings, good valuations, price to earnings ratios, things of that nature. Traders and investors, longer term investors particularly, love the dividend paying stocks. And also, they might be looking for candidates that have good covered call situation where you could have great premiums on the options, where you could also sell covered calls along with that longer term investment. But again, long term investments looking for long term capital growth could be holding for years to decades. And again, the more important, the longer term the trade is, the more important the fundamental analysis is.